Why your budget keeps failing and how to fix it. 92% of people abandon their budget within the first month. You're about to find out why. And more importantly, exactly how to stop being part of that statistic. I'm gonna be straight with you. Your budget didn't fail because you're bad with money. It failed because you built it wrong. And in the next few minutes, I'm showing you the 3 specific mistakes killing your budget, and the exact system that actually works. Part 1. The 3 reasons your budget is broken. Let me start with the biggest one. Most people build a budget based on what they think they should spend, not what they actually spend. Here's what happens. You sit down. You get motivated. Maybe you've just watched a Dave Ramsey video. And you think, I'm gonna cut my coffee to $3 a day. Grocery budget is $250 a month. Gas is $150. Sounds perfect. Then Wednesday hits. You grab coffee with a friend. Thursday you're stressed and buy takeout. By Friday, your budget is dead. The problem? You build a fantasy budget, not a real one. The second mistake is worse. You're using too many categories. I'm talking 15, 20, sometimes 30 different spending buckets. Rent, utilities, groceries, dining out, entertainment, subscriptions, clothing, household items, personal care, gifts, hobbies, education. The list goes on. Your brain cannot track 30 categories. It just can't. So you give up. You stop checking your budget. And when you stop checking it, you stop controlling it. The third mistake? You're not using the right tools. You're either tracking everything manually in a spreadsheet, which takes forever, or you're using an app you check once a month. Neither of these works. Budgeting is not a once-a-month activity. It needs to be connected to your real spending in real time. When that notification hits that you've overspent a category, your brain actually learns. Part 2. The system that actually works. Here's what actually works. And I mean this. This is the framework that's transformed hundreds of thousands of budgets. You need exactly 3 spending categories, not 30. 3. Category 1. Fixed expenses. These are non-negotiable. Rent, insurance, minimum loan payments. These don't change month to month. For most people, this is around 40 to 50% of take-home income. Category 2. Flexible spending. Groceries, gas, household stuff, dining out, things that fluctuate but you need to control. This should be 30 to 40% of your income. Category 3. Goals. This is savings for emergencies. Investment contributions to your Roth IRA or 401k. Extra debt payoff. This should be minimum 10 to 15%. If you can't hit 10%, don't worry. Hit what you can. Starting with 5% beats 0%. Here's the game changer though. You're not just tracking these categories. You're allocating actual dollars to each one when you get paid. Let's say you bring home $4,000 a month. Right when that paycheck hits, this is what happens. $1,900 goes to fixed expenses. Gone. That's rent. That's insurance. That's locked in. $1,400 goes to flexible spending. That's your grocery money, your gas, your wiggle room. $500 goes to your goals. Emergency fund, Roth IRA, whatever you're working toward. You've just allocated your entire paycheck in 10 minutes. No guessing. No fantasy numbers. Now the tool part. You need one app that connects to your actual bank account and notifies you when you're getting close to your flexible spending limit. That's it. I recommend Mint Mobile, YNAB, or even just your bank's own budgeting tool. The key is the alerts. When you've hit 75% of your flexible spending for the month, you get a notification. When you're at 90%, you get a warning. When you hit 100%, it stops you. This creates real-time accountability, not monthly guilt. Real-time feedback. Part 3. Your first week action plan. Do this. and you'll never abandon a budget again. Step 1. Look at your last 3 months of bank statements. Add up everything you spent on fixed expenses, flexible spending, and goals. Calculate the average for each category. Step 2. Adjust those numbers to be realistic for next month. This is your real budget. Step 3. Open your bank account or download a budgeting app. Input these 3 numbers. Step 4. Set alerts at 75 and 95% for your flexible spending. Step 5. When you get your next paycheck, allocate it according to the 3 categories. Do it that day. That's it. That's the system. The reason this works is because it's simple, it's real, and it's automatic. You're not relying on willpower. You're relying on structure. Most people think budgeting is about deprivation. It's not. It's about direction. When you know exactly where your money's going, you feel in control. And when you feel in control, you stick with it. Call to action.